If you're a business owner or entrepreneur who wants to raise your business awareness online using video, then this is absolutely the thing you need to be watching. In this video, we're going to walk you through some examples of awareness raising videos. Let's jump into the content right now.
So let's talk specifically about goals and which videos can meet goals. Now, there are a couple of examples here. So this is by no means an exhaustive list. It really is literally, we're literally just scraping the surface here. There are hundreds of potential ideas that you can adopt. Explainer videos. So these are short online marketing videos that explain your company's product or service. Now, they don't sell it. They're not sales videos. They're just explaining, and these are often put on a sales landing page or your home page or a prominent product page. The second type, which sort of is like an explainer video, the explainer videos, I should say, they are what we call live action typically. So it might be a talking head like this, where, hello, I'm Jeff, I'm a plumber, I'm great, I've got 25 years experience, bang, 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 whatever it is. But very much live action person in shot type thing, explainer videos, maybe with a little bit of what we call B-roll, which is that is the kind of video footage that you put. I don't want to get too technical or too kind of into it, but it's the footage that is the wallpaper type footage that you put over the talking head to illustrate a point and to basically freshen it, make sure that it doesn't get too boring and stayed with one shot for the 2 or 3 minutes. Whiteboard videos tend to be animated. Now, the reason that people use animated videos, you've probably seen them. They're the ones that look like people are scribbling on a whiteboard. The reason people use them is because actually whiteboard animation is a really good way of communicating things that are actually quite complex kind of concepts to get across. For example, you could always do it as a live action thing. The issue would be, particularly if you're a smaller business, is that typically, the more complicated something is to explain, the more costly it would be to shoot. Because, for example, it might mean that you need to go to several locations to illustrate the point, for example, or you might need some expensive graphics or something like that. Whereas with a whiteboard, little cartoon thing, person draws out, you can communicate it really effectively like that. And it would not necessarily need to cost the earth at all.
Listen, I really hope you're getting loads of value from this video. If you are, please press the like button and also think about subscribing to the channel for more content just like this. But I want to know from you, let me know in the comments below, what are the issues you're coming across on your video making journey? What are the roadblocks to your progress? Please do let me know in the comments below so I can create content that will help you on your way. Let's get back to the content.
The third video that I'm going to share with you for the awareness stage tonight is the Meet the Team videos. Now, these are brilliant for a couple of reasons, because they start to build rapport with your potential customers. They offer a really, really good insight into these sort of workings, and it's almost like a little kind of behind the curtain look at the goings on in your business. It will imbue your business and company with a personality, basically. And again, it's that whole thing, like I said before, about proving that there's humans behind the website. Very easy online, as I'm sure you're aware. Lots and lots and lots of very anonymous looking websites, and you don't know who you're dealing with. The brilliant thing with video is that it suddenly, it gives you a personality. It gives you humanity. The other thing as well that these Meet the Team videos do is a really, really powerful way of communicating very, very succinctly and very, very quickly your values as a company, your why, the reason you do what you do, and that is a massively powerful reason why people will do business with you. Because, like I said before, we transact with people that we like, if generally speaking, especially if it's a higher ticket item. Now, if you're starting to build up a rapport with someone by using video, and also you are doing it in a way that chimes with the potential client's kind of values as well, then that's another thing that you have in common with that person, that without doing that video, they would have no idea that they had that in common with you. So meet the team videos and behind the scenes of your business type videos are really, really powerful, because they offer so many clues to your potential clients. And also the other thing to say as well is, don't be scared. If people get put off, then maybe they're just not the right clients for you, especially if you're a smaller business and you can't service millions of clients. Actually, you're going to want the videos to self-select. You're going to want them to act as a filter, so you're only getting contacted by people that really get you and what you're about and how you can help. So you're not getting your time being wasted by sort of tire kickers, as you might do if you're just hidden behind an anonymous website.
I really hope you got loads of value from that video. If you did, please press the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. That'd be amazing. Coming up is a video all about how to boost your sales using video. So stick around for that. See you soon. Take care.